Hello everybody, I am Sonic the Hedgehog. I've been getting low on rings recently, so like, I need a job. And what better place than Freddy Fazbear'S, right guys? Oh boy, I can't wait. My boss was supposed to be here, but I can't find him. This place seems oddly empty. That's strange. I believe this is where... Oh yeah. Oh shit, I just messed that up. My bad. You know, I mean, this place isn't all that bad. It's kinda... It smells like shit in here, but it should be fine, right? How does this shit work, bro? My god, what was that sound?
Jeffrey Epstein.
Oh shit! What was that? Oh god. Oh no. Jeffrey Epstein! He's back! Now you stay right... Ah! Well, that was interesting. Wouldn't you say that, Freddy? Very interesting, actually. That was very interesting. I need to close myself in these doors because I don't feel safe being a minor around Epstein. You know, I'm still a teenager after all, even though Sega removed canon ages. Oh shit. Oh my god. It looks like I need to start using the Chaos Emeralds. I only have... Oh shit. I only have 6 Chaos Emeralds. I can transform completely. I look like a bum now. Oh fuck. Oh hell nah. Oh shit, where's the last one? It was in my ass, my bad. My bad guys, the last Chaos Emerald was in my booty. Your time is over, Epstein! My attacks! They're not working! That's the sorcery! Yeah, you know what? Whew! That was harsh! I think I made it, but I'm out of rings! I just hope this evening stays okay. I don't know what Epstein was doing there, actually. This is a children's restaurant. Could it be that William Afton is in the Epstein files? What do you guys think? Oh my god. Where did bro come from, genuinely? Oh shit, okay, I'm dead. Oh crap! This job sucks ass, bro! It appears there's some animatronics in here too. Oh my god. He's like right here. Oh my god, guys! He wants me! Well... Oh shit, I drew a penis. What kind of office is this? This shit sucks. Like, oh, let me see the specs on this hoe. Oh, it's a Mac. Oh shit. Why didn't he die? Oh my god. I'm done with this. I'm done with this actually. I'm actually done with this shit. I still have my quills up from how mad I am. What the fuck? Oh my god. Ouch! Bro, that was bad. You fat ass, you can't even get in. Oh fuck, he's good. Get away from me! Yeah, keep crying, you bitch. Fat ass. Keep crying, bro. Keep crying. Editor, can we come back out of the video, please? I'm dying way too many times, bro. Knuckles, I'll give you the shift.
Hey, Knuckles! What, bro? Yo, I'm not built for this. I'm not built for this.
Can you tell the mic in my mouth to sound funny? Yo, I'm not built for this shit, bro. Man, this job is boring. What the? Eggman! What? Unwithered Bonnie? Eggman!
Unwithered Bonnie! Eggman! What are you guys doing here? Are you here to steal the master emerald? Eggman, I will not let you do that.
Alright. I guess I'm done.
This is the video here. If you like the video, if you want more videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even share. Feel free to comment on the parts of the video that you enjoyed the most, and see ya.